Alright, so I had a little bit of an accident here. Just wanted to show it. Still quite embarrassed about it, but some marks here on the mirror. And I was in a parking garage and I was backing out. There was a pole basically right here. And as I was backing out, I started turning the wheel to back out and forgot that the pole was there. Turned my head around, of course, as I was taught to do when reversing, and forgot that the pole was there. And then as I turned, clipped the mirror. Luckily it's not too bad. It seems to be cosmetic. There is a little bit of a mark here that I will probably need to either go over with some touch-up paint, but I'll probably end up using a gray Sharpie. Anyway, so body panel was not touched, but I did clip the running board here, which is fine. This is just plastic. This is you know, it doesn't worry me too much, but there's some scrapes there. Not too much I can do about that, but again, I'm not too worried about that. And go ahead and show you how I'm going to touch that up. I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using. First of all, I'm going to be cleaning it off with soapy water. I've got a little bit of Dawn dish spray mixed with water in here in this bottle, and then we're going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to kind of rub out that the scrapes, and then finish it off with Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. So let's go ahead and get started and see how it works out. Starting off with the microfiber cloth and dish soap, just so that I can clean off any impurities that may end up scratching it even more when I use the rubbing compound. So just giving myself a clean surface to work with. Alright, up next we got the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I'm going to apply a little bit to my microfiber cloth. I'm just going to start rubbing. I'm going in circular motions. And right now I can already tell the white marks are disappearing. So that's great. Looks like it was paint transfer maybe. But let me wipe that off and give you a look. So yeah, all gone right now. Let me work on this part right here. All right. So just like that, you can already tell that it's basically gotten rid of all of those scuff marks. I don't even know if I need to use the polish, but I will anyway. Here's this small nick here that definitely took off some of the plastic. There's nothing I can do about that, but what I will do is take a gray Sharpie and just kind of cover that up. But I'm gonna go ahead and polish this right now, just to kind of clean it all up. All right, now we got the Meguiar's Ultimate Polish just to kind of clean it all up. Here's a close-up with the mirror. So right now you can tell those scratches are pretty much gone. The one thing I will try to mask is that thing with the gray Sharpie, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that's it. Technically, you know, I don't know if I should be using this, but I think that the gray Sharpie is a pretty good close match. And I'm just going to go with that for now.
All right, you guys, that's all I have for now, and hopefully that was helpful for some of you. I will leave links to the products that I use down in the description below. Hopefully you learned something like I did. Obviously the FJ Cruiser is notorious for those blind spots, and people always talk about driving with those blind spots. There are also hazards to look out for in the parking structures too. So again, that C pillar back there totally completely blocked that pillar. Ironically, that was back there literally sitting right behind that C pillar. And so of course, you know, when I was learning how to drive, whenever I back out the car, I turn my head over, and that's how I back the car out. Anyway, hopefully you guys can learn a lesson from me, and just to kind of watch out for your surroundings whenever you're driving in your FJ Cruiser. So with that being said, I know that I haven't really posted a lot recently, and that's because I've been super busy. We just bought a house recently. That was a process that took a little bit of time. That's sort of where I've been at with my life. So the next video that I post will likely be from my new house. I'm excited to kind of move on and up from where we currently are. I'm certainly excited to have a larger garage to keep the FJ Cruiser in, and to film some of my future projects as well. So looking forward to that. I hope you guys stay tuned, and I'll be posting a lot more videos once we get settled in our new home. So thank you all for watching and supporting my channel, and I will catch you on the next video.